Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to unbox and demonstrate HEINE made LED pocket LED ophthalmoscope. The model number is Mini 3000 LED ophthalmoscope with battery. The information is provided over here. You make sure the model number and the device is D008.71.120. So this is the packaging and the device model number. This is the LED type ophthalmoscope. It doesn't have any seal. It is coming like this. You have to open it and the device comes like this, and there is a user manual on inside of the box where you have provided all the instructions how to use the handles and manuals given, and the device comes like this. This device does not comes with the battery, so this is the device. It is known as HEINE Mini 3000, a very famous model since many years. To operate, you have to open it from the bottom. You have to insert two AA batteries, but the company doesn't provide the batteries inside because of transportation issues by air, and you have to close it again. To operate, you have to put the switch on the downside. You can see the light. You can change the types of light, size of light, and the shape of light and the color of light on this bottom side button. And to change the diopters, you have to rotate this wheel from both of sides. You can adjust, and this is the use of HEINE Mini 3000 LED pocket ophthalmoscope. Thank you for watching.